Hello, my name is David Kirshner. My Urbit handle is rapfyr-diglyt, and today we're going to just have a quick video about how to boot a Fakezod. Now, the first thing that we're going to need to do, if you haven't already, you're going to need to clone the Urbit repository and build a binary of Urbit. If you've done this fairly recently, you can probably go ahead and skip this, but it won't hurt to do it anyway. So once that's cloned, we're going to go into that directory, and we have two scripts that we actually need to run in here. And the first one is bootstrap, and that's going to get us all of the submodules that are associated with the Urbit project. Just take a little second here. Okay, and as soon as that's done, we can go ahead and run the other script which we need to do, which is build, and that's actually going to put together the Urbit binary that we're going to need for us. Just a minute here, and there we go. It's done. So now we can double check that that worked by looking in the build directory, and you can see here this Urbit binary is ready to go. So if you'd like, you can install that globally on your system. For now, I'm just going to leave that binary where it is and run it from its location. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to give this binary the flag F, and I'm going to give as an argument for F, Zod. Now F, capital F here, is the argument for running a fake ship, and Zod is the name of the ship that we're going to be running. So this is going to be a Fakezod. Now what that means is that this is a ship that will not connect to our live AIMS network, but will boot in all the respects so that we can use it for development. This is very useful, as sometimes you can accidentally do things to sink your ship, and if you've done it to a Fakezod, it's no big deal at all. Nothing to do. Just delete it and make a new one. So we're going to take a second here to wait for this to complete booting. It shouldn't take too terribly long. I'm going to leave this part in the video rather than cut it out, because then you'll be able to see about how long it should take you. Okay, there we go. Now we're ready to go. So we can see here our dojo prompt, and our ship is completely booted and ready to go. Now, because Urbit lacks a text editor at the moment, we really would like to have a better environment for editing our text, so we're going to go ahead and do bar mount sen, and that's going to actually mount our Urbit file system as part of our Unix file system that we can use and modify. So I'm going to go over here to this other tab I have. And you see this Zod directory was created when we booted the Urbit initially. I'll go into it. You see a home directory inside of there. And here are all the files that we would expect. If we look in the gen directory, here are all the generators, and we can see that they work by going ahead and testing one out. Okay, see? There we go. So now when you want to stop your Fakezod, you're done playing with it for the moment, you can just hit Control-D. Now when you come back and would like to start it again, you simply run the same Urbit command you did before, but you remove the -F flag. I'll already know that it's a Fakezod and be ready to go. Okay, so that's all that I have for you today. So get out there, boot a Fakezod, and have fun writing Hoon.